Okay, so we finished our 4th week on WEGOVY. So we've been a whole month. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this was the 4th and final week on WEGOVY. And it wasn't too bad. You know, I knew already what to expect and everything like that. So we went through that, but let's get into our results and then we'll come back. Step on the scale. There you go, 214.6. Now let's put it on 1. And it was actually higher than that last week. I changed it. So 6 pounds right there. Now we're gonna go and calculate my real loss for last week and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so as you can see, I went from 215.6 to 214.6. Now I did step on the scale in the middle of that. Something happened with my phone case. So like I got this new phone case and it's super heavy. I don't have it around me, but it's super heavy. And so whenever I went to take the first video, it didn't show that I lost anything. And then I was like, that don't seem right. So I did it without the phone. And then I was like, oh, that's why. So I took off the phone case and then re-recorded. Because it was actually adding quite a bit of weight, I'm not exactly sure how much, but it was losing quite a bit of weight. So I actually lost 1 pound last week. So that's good. That's a little bit less than average. I did have some changes going on. I didn't drink as much water as I probably should have. I have been doing all kinds of things. You know me, I stay busy. I did have more stress last week than I normally do. I had an exam coming up for school. I've had some other personal stress going on, but we're not going to let that get us down. And we're going to go over the totals for this month. And then I am going to do my first week on step 2, which is 0.5. And then we will come back next week and I'll let y'all know how that goes. So let's start with where we started. We started at 224.4 and we went down to 218.8 in the first week. That is 5.6 pounds. I think a lot of that one was water weight. I don't think it actually had anything to do, well, I know it had stuff to do with the WEGOVY too, but I think a lot of that right there was also water weight because I'd gotten back into my routine of drinking water and stuff. Then we went from 218.8 to 217.2. That was 1.6 pounds. Then we went from 217.2 to 215.6. That was 1.6 pounds. And then we went from 215.6 to 214.6. And that was 1 pound. So we have lost a grand total of 9.8 pounds in the first month. So I'm super excited about that. That's very good. I know some of it was water weight, not a whole lot, but some of it. And so yeah, I'm super excited to start week 2. I'm gonna go and do that now before I have to get going here. But yeah, so I have a lot of big changes coming up in my personal life. We're still in the process of moving, haven't got that done yet. And you know, stuff is going, but we are going to keep our positivity. We are going to hope for just as good results next month, and I will see you in another week. Y'all have a great day. Bye.